Good day, everyone. Today I wanted to demonstrate how to update Cisco phone background image remotely with our PRCUT application. Let's bring it up. And the first step is to record the script using the phone control option. So let's open that page and select the phone group for the phone models with similar menus. And then you can just select the phone from the list, or you can type in a portion of the MAC address and select the actual phone. Then click View Screen, and this is the actual phone screen. So the next step would be to go through that background image update process exactly the same way as you would do on the physical phone. So let's go to Settings. There's a little bit of delay updating the screen, and select User Preferences, Background Images, then let's select a different image here. Save and exit, and exit one more time. So now we have the script, which we probably would need to modify slightly, because we need to allow for a little bit of time for the phone to load the images, because if we will press the button too early, then we won't get the result which we want to achieve. So in here, we probably before selecting the image here, we need to change this. Let's change this to 5 seconds. And before selecting it, we'd like to give it a little bit more time. And then we need to give it a little bit more time too for saving it. So you can save the script for to run it in the future. You can load the script which you previously recorded. In this case, we just need to stop phone control and apply it. So we have the script in the script panel. Now we need to find the fonts which we want to update, and we go find and cluster. Then let's find the 7945 fonts we have. We're not interested in the fonts which are not really registered right now, so we'll go show registered only. Select all and proceed with the selection. Now we're ready to run the script. So let's do that. You can see that the application is currently connecting to the call manager cluster. And I just started executing the script. Okay, So the background has been updated, and that's the end of the demonstration. So if you want to learn more about our products, you can do it from our website. You can download the trial version, or you can just order the license right now. So there are two options. One is for under 500 devices you can select simultaneously, and the other one is unlimited. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through the support form or just email us. Thank you very much and have a good day.